Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you may be watching this. So I'm starting the vlog outside. We're supposed to have this really crazy hurricane coming in today, but as you can see, doesn't look like anything at this point. But I don't know, some parts of the country, like the down south area, already got hit, so it's supposedly coming here. But whenever they hype up a storm, usually, well, then again, the snowstorm was pretty big. If you haven't seen the snowstorm vlog that we did, and that was back in our early stages of this YouTube channel. But I'll put a little card thing up here, click on that and you'll see the snowstorm. But yeah, so I don't know, it's hit or miss with these storms, but we'll see. Like I said, looks pretty okay right now, not even a drop of rain or anything, but they did say a lot of flooding and stuff like that may happen, so we'll see. Keep you guys posted.
My life be like, ooh, yeah, ooh. My life be like, ooh, yeah, ooh.
We went through Sandy, so we're really not that concerned, but we are preparing. We tied down things, we're on the water, so I'm waiting. It's a beautiful day today. Hope we get to the beach today, and then we'll take it from there.
As of right now, no signs of a storm, but it is important to note Freeport here in Nassau County, the entire county right now under a tropical storm warning, as is Suffolk County as well. And yesterday, Governor Andrew Cuomo.
So, not much going on at this point, but people are preparing for it. We're prepared. So, you know, I'll keep you guys posted as the day goes along. Meantime, I'm going to hang out and watch the Yankee game. That's right. Let's go Yankees. It is beautiful out. No hurricane in sight. Look at it. Blue skies. Seriously? Blue skies, sunny. We're here, hanging out. No hurricane, no storm, no rain, nothing. Nada. And you going to a wedding looking all sharp. Little D taking pictures. Looking sharp there. Weather's still looking nice, so this hurricane must have passed us. Back inside, and I figured, hey, since we're not doing much and the weather is nice but no hurricane, I would give these a shot. So sriracha popcorn hot chili sauce, okay? I'm not big on hot sauce, and this is not really a challenge. I'm just doing it just for the heck of it. So let's open it up, and I'm gonna have a few. All right, so little D's gonna hold the camera. I'm gonna open these up and have a few and see how it is. Like I said, I'm not good with hot stuff, so if it's hot, I'm probably not gonna eat too many.
Yeah. Yes.
Alright?
Yeah.
What, make these child-proof or something?
Child.
Good. They're like hard to open. Good. Kind of red. Oh my god, I'm a little worried already. Alright.
Oh my god.
Starting to get a little hot. At first it was like, ooh. By the second it's getting hot. Ooh, by the second I only had 3 of them. Ugh.
Should have got water.
I should have got water.
No.
I'm trying to do it without water yet.
Okay.
Alright, couple more. That batch wasn't that bad. Every time I say that, every time I say that, it starts kicking in. Hot. Okay. This is it. I'm done after this. Ooh, a lot of people eat this stuff.
Does it taste good?
It does, and then it gets really, really hot. Like, it kind of tastes like barbecue chips, and then out of nowhere, it just burns up in your mouth. Yeah, very hot inside. But I'm done. That's it. That's the end of that little challenge, which is not really a challenge. Okay, come on. Whoa. I'm still burning up from that, believe it or not. Let me know if you guys have tried those, and let me know how you guys do with hot stuff. Because, like I said, I don't handle hot stuff too well. How about you? Little B? Iffy?
And storm surge there, and swimming at all ocean beaches is banned for today. Down hundreds of thousands of homeowners without electricity from Florida to Virginia. So what can we expect here on Long Island? Let's go to the Weather Center and meteorologist Bruce Avery at the map.
Thanks, Drew. Here's your latest hyperlocal forecast. Tropical storm wind warnings are still in effect on Long Island for the foreseeable future. Now today, Hermine tracked a little bit to the east before what we expect tonight to jog up to the north. And even with that, while we had plenty of sunshine, there's an angry sea out on the main beach in the Hamptons, and you can see from this exactly what happened. You see this dark area on the sand. That was the high water mark of the last high tide cycle, and the next high tide cycle on the South Shore is about 9 to 10 o'clock, depending on where you are. And with all this angry sea, not only today, for the next couple of days, there'll probably be a lot of beach erosion. And you
Okay, so you just heard that on the news, and they're specifically, I can't even talk, they're specifically saying that don't be fooled by this weather here. Don't be fooled by this, they're saying. These blue skies. Don't be fooled because there is a hurricane. It's still on its way, so we'll have to see. You know, they're saying about 6 o'clock it might hit us, but we'll see. Not a drop of rain, as you guys can see. It's dry, and we're just hanging out. I mean, the wind picked up here and there, you know, but nothing. No drop of rain, nothing. So we'll see. Keep you guys posted. Okay, so as you can see, it's nighttime. Taking a walk outside, and there's absolutely no rain, no hurricane, no storm, no nothing. It was all a hoax or just bad weathering. Okay, they don't know how to predict a storm. Now they're saying potentially tomorrow that there's going to be some crazy wind and a storm coming in. I don't know, into Tuesday. Well, it's just going to be now heavy rains and stuff like that, but nothing today. So sorry guys that this vlog wasn't the hurricane or the thunderstorm, the storm that was told to us and expected to us. But we'll see what happens in the next couple of days. So tune in for tomorrow's vlog. If you haven't subscribed, do that now. Giveaways coming up, all that good stuff. So keep watching. I'm out of here with the 3 dabs. See you guys tomorrow. All Alright, well look at that. You've made it to the end of the vlog. So that is fantastic. Glad you're here. Glad you're hanging out with me for the outro of this vlog. So, first thing I'd like you to do is give this video a big thumbs up. So go ahead and, take your finger, put it on the mouse, and click on that like button over there. And if you didn't like this video, it's good to be honest, go ahead and give us a big little thumbs down. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and wait here until you get that done. And wait, one more thing, don't forget to subscribe, okay, because we have giveaways coming up and I'm sure you don't want to miss out on those giveaways, right? There'll be some good stuff coming up. Yeah, some good stuff coming up. So go ahead, subscribe, like, dislike, whatever you want to do, and I'm going to be right here waiting until you get that done. All right. Oh, look at this. Oh, did you get that done yet? Yeah, just click that like tab. Yeah. Or the dislike, whatever. Make sure you subscribe. Hey, subscribe. Hey, listen, I gotta get out of here soon, so can you kind of like hurry up and make a decision? Kind of hot in this little box. Getting hot in here. Yeah, if you could hurry that up so I can get out of this box that I'm in here. Uncomfortable, talk about claustrophobic. Well, I got things to do, guys, so I cannot wait on you, so I'm gonna have to say goodbye. Bye. Oh, hey, I'm back. Yeah, I forgot to mention a couple more things. Don't forget to add us on Facebook. Click the link in the description below. And also, did I forget to mention Snapchat? Yeah, so add us on Snapchat as well. So, okay. So now I am out of here. So see you later.